In our prior discussion of the scientific computing method, we emphasized the need for calibration. For this particular module, calibration will take the form of what we will call unit tests. A unit test tests one particular aspect of the behavior of a program. Here, we'll add some lines: test present amount, test initial amount, test days, and test annual rate. Each one of these corresponds to a function that previously existed inside of this module. Each test verifies the correctness of the behavior of the function. You should always define such unit tests with the name test underscore ahead of the behavior you are testing. In order to run these tests automatically, we can use PyTest at the command line. We need to exit Python again. And in the same directory as interest.py, we'll run pytest interest.py. What this does is it scans, it finds 4 tests, runs each test, and then reports the results automatically. Back in IPython, we could import and run these tests as well. If nothing happens, this is the correct outcome. Somewhat counterintuitively, we expect that successful processes don't return any information because there's nothing to tell us. Only in the case of failure will it give rise to an error. Another way we could have handled this is to write code like test annual rate and test days inside of our program. If we were to do this inside, this would mean that every time we imported interest, all of that code gets run, even if we're not seeing it, and this can slow things down. A better way to handle it is to use special values underscore underscore name underscore underscore and string underscore underscore main underscore underscore. What this does is it tests to see whether or not the current context is running primarily as main or if it's being imported as a script. Only in the case where it's being run directly does it import or does it execute these lines. These names are always available to us. For instance, if you type underscore underscore and press tab in Python, it lists the things that it knows about but that are considered hidden aspects of what's going on.